Hello, everyone. It's me, Irene from Agape Greeting Cards. Thank you so much for joining me today for another card tutorial. Today, I'm going to be combining black distress ink or black soot and um, distress oxide, which is let me milled lavender. I think that's what it's called. Yes, milled lavender. So I'm going to be combining the two to create some of an effect similar to like um, a faded background. Okay. So without further ado, I want to say hi to my subscribers. Hey, and to those of you who have watched my videos regularly as well. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the tutorial. And of course, I look forward to seeing you guys again next Sunday. So without further ado, let's dive in.
Started. So what I'm trying to do here is to create two panels, but I don't want the panels to be on the side. I want them to be like in the middle. So this is what I will be doing to help me with that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and let me just use a smaller piece. I'm going to kind of tape this here because I don't want it to move. Okay, so right now basically what I will need is just any piece of paper really, so that I can utilize. So I'm not really going to be doing like half per se, but just let me just go ahead and get this taken care of. So I'm using the black suit and I'm going to go ahead and just get it all colored up. Okay, so I have done the one side bigger than the other, but that's okay. It doesn't make or break anything. Again, sometimes every mistake is a fashion. But then yeah, so we want two little black panels. So this is what I'll be doing next. I will be utilizing this here, which is kind of like a frothy water on the beach kind of look, and also this here, which is like a flower. It's very light. I don't know if you can see this, a flower. All right, so I'm going to have, because I want to get this section in the middle here. Okay, so I have done one side. Now it has a nice subtle background, like almost like it looks just like a nice little um faded background. Yes, but you can see there is a nice little design there. And I'm going to go ahead, and on this side I will use the other one. Yeah, it did kind of a similar thing, but let's see. But it looks pretty nice actually, if I may say so myself. But I'm going to be trimming this down, so that's fine. Let me just set this aside. So look very closely. Now it's really nice. If you see, you can see the little crackle here and things like that. Now this doesn't look too bad on the edges, but basically what I will end up doing at this point is kind of just passing this here on the ends, just to give it maybe, I don't know, a little soft look or something. So it's not as, dark, but it actually came out pretty good. And then of course you can choose to, use it this way on your card. Like example, I'll show you, but either this way or lengthwise. But I'm going to cut it down right now. Okay. So here you have it, guys. You can choose to, again, like I said, depending on it's this way. It's a really nice subtle design. So you can either use it this way on your cardstock. So you have a nice little edge here and a nice background, shadowy thing. It's up to you. Or you can use it this way. So you have an open up this way, or you can do it this way. It just depends on the design you have. So just go ahead and have fun and get your creative juices flowing. I shall see you guys next week. Thank you so much for joining me.